I know the importance of protecting the skin from sun exposure and proper skincare every single day. But at the same time, I don't like to sacrifice the pleasure of life, like camping, for example, just to keep the skin healthy. Because I know the benefit of being outdoors and doing camping with my family is so much bigger than just keeping my skin out of sun. So when I go camping, I often go for a couple of days. So that means not proper shower, but I swim in the lake. And of course I wear sunscreens, but not always I can have all the things I usually have at home. But I can definitely feel the connection, body, mind, spirit. And I often sleep better the second night, not the first night, because I have to adjust to the mattress and all the things, being in nature. But I feel so refreshed and I feel more awake, and I can tune into more senses, 5 senses. And I just see the benefit is so much bigger than just staying at home and keep my skin healthy. And in a way, actually, I think I look healthier when I go back home after camping, spending a couple days in nature. Because it's great. It's just fresh air and no Wi-Fi, sound of birds, no clock, no alarms, nothing. Just listen to your body and then eat and sleep and have fun. And my daughter, she's 8 and she has been expert in camping. She's done camping almost 11 times and she's great. And my husband, he's so much more attractive when he's in nature. And we need that. We need to stare at the passion for each other and also appreciation for each other. So if you are worried about being exposed to sun and you think you're not an outdoor person, you can even have a lunch or breakfast or dinner with your family or loved one in a backyard. That might be fun. Or just go for a day hike. That might be fun too. Or just pack your lunch and eat in a park or somewhere, because being nature does some trick to you.